Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Pokegemz Art. Alright, Pokegemz means we're eventually gonna draw something from Pokemon. So of course you all know this funny guy. This is Pikachu. Guys, but today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna teach you something really cool about how to easily do art. But before we get started, do me a favor. You see that subscribe button, that like button? Make sure you subscribe. Alright guys, let's get started. We're gonna start out with some shapes. So here's how we're gonna do it. We're gonna start out with a basic circle, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to draw cartoon characters using shapes. All right, so these are the basic shapes. We draw this all in pencil because we'll erase. Let's go ahead and draw kind of a T down the middle to give us the 4 quadrants or 4 sections of our face. That'll make it easier when we do the eyes, nose, and everything. And let's do the same thing right down the middle of the belly. So that'll give us 2 sides so we can easily know, where the hands are and feet and stuff. All right, Pikachu has long ears, so we'll start out by basically just drawing some straight lines. So that'll give us an idea of where the ears are eventually gonna go. All right, Pikachu has kind of a long squiggly tail. So again, let's just do a straight line just to give us an idea, again, where this will go. And keep in mind, most of this will be erased later, so. All right, next thing is gonna be a hand. So again, we'll just draw 1 line there and 1 line there just to give us an idea of where the arms and hands will be, and then we'll erase this later. All right, let's go ahead and do our first eye and our second eye. And you see how we do it right on the line? Same thing with the nose too. That way it gives us an idea of where everything goes. All right, we got some legs here. We did his face. Now let's go ahead and do Pikachu's ears. So they basically come straight down like this. And if you look at that middle line, you see how that gives us an idea of exactly where the ear goes. So this is a really, really fun, easy way to learn how to do art and make it look good. All right, there's our second ear. All right, now that we did the face, Pikachu's face isn't exactly round, so using that, let's have one of the cheeks kind of come in and out like that. That'll make it look more real. And then same thing with the body. We'll do that in a second, but let's first draw his first arm and then his second arm. Let's make these look about the same, so we'll make this one just a little bit wider, just so those arms can look similar. All right, let's give him a couple fingers here, and on the other side. All right, we'll do the same thing with his body, kind of come out maybe on one side, just to kind of make it look more 3-dimensional. But you see how I'm still using that circle as my guide, so those circles are your guides. All right, we got his legs or feet. All right, that is done. Give him some little, give him some little lines there for his toes. All right, now the tail. So again, that guide, and we'll keep going around that guide. So it's basically almost like a little thunder tail. So we still use that as our guide, and we come down like this, and there is Pikachu's tail. All right, let's finish up his mouth. Let's give him some eyes, a tongue. And guys, now what we'll do is go over everything with marker. Alright, now we erase all the pencil left over. Guys, keep in mind, this is a drawing done in literally 4 minutes, so it is nowhere near perfect, but this will just give you an idea of how you can use basic guidelines and basic shapes to draw pretty much any character. Alright, let's go ahead and finish up some of the detail on Pikachu here. Alright, I chose to use some basic, regular Crayola markers. Sometimes they do smudge a little bit, so when you do this at home, give it some time for all the markers to dry. I did smudge just a little bit, but I wanted to give you an idea how you can use different colors. Alright, Pikachu's got some nice rosy cheeks, so we'll use our orange marker here. Same thing with these details and the little fire on the back of his tail. Guys, look how easy that was. We basically started with a pencil, drawing some shapes, went over it with marker, colored it with the various colors, and that's pretty much it. Guys, if you can, comment on this video, give me a like, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Guys, check out some of our other videos. We did this also with some of the Disney characters. We did this with Olaf. We did this with Mickey Mouse. So make sure you go back, check out the other videos if you can. Give me a like, check us out on TikTok, check me out on Instagram, guys, and I will definitely see you on my next video.